is something we don't often worry about using in our everyday lives. The Earth is nearly 70% water, so there's no risk of running out of it, right? Actually, only 0.007% of the planet's water is available to be utilized by the 6.8 billion people living on Earth. The challenge we now face as we head into the future is how to effectively conserve water and manage our everyday use.
My name is Lisa Mitten. I'm Campus Sustainability Coordinator here at SUNY New Paltz. Slow the Flow Save H2O was conceived during the summer of 2018 when SUNY New Paltz met with the Village of New Paltz and representatives from the Department of Environmental Protection, which works on protecting the water supply for New York City, as well as several towns and villages on the way to New York City along the Catskill Aqueduct. They let us know that the Catskill Aqueduct construction project was indeed going to take place this fall, and we are being asked to conserve water during that period of the construction time, which has been taking place from October through December for 10 weeks. There are two main dimensions of the Slow the Flow campaign during this fall, the first year when the water shutdown is taking place. The first part is a competition between residence halls called Slow the Flow Save H2O Campaign and Competition. And each of the residence halls are competing against each other to see which one conserves the most amount of water during this competition period from October to December.
We asked some SUNY New Paltz students how many gallons of water they think they use each day.
Probably 10 gallons maybe. I drink a lot, I shower a lot, I wash my face a lot.
Probably like 4. Is that a lot?
6.
10 gallons? Yeah.
I don't know, 8 maybe? I don't know.
Probably like, I don't know, 10.
The average domestic water use in gallons per day per person in New York ranges from 76 to 100 gallons.
So the reason why we're focusing on residence halls is because 65% of water usage on campus in prior fall seasons came from residence halls.
So how can we reduce our water use in our daily routines?
They say that you use less water if you take a shower rather than take a bath, so probably take showers rather than baths.
When you're brushing your teeth, we turn off the faucet.
Yeah,
So
take
that
shorter
saves water.
showers.
Yeah, shorter showers.
Shut the sink off when you're brushing your teeth and just turn it on when you're rinsing your toothbrush.
I never really think about conserving water, but I guess I could take shorter showers.
Showers, get in, clean yourself, get out. Don't be just standing there for 20 minutes.
The primary way for students to get involved, particularly those living on campus, is to become a water saver. And there's 5 different strategies we've been encouraging students to save water on. Just recently, this door hanger got implemented and put on all of the door knobs of student rooms and residence halls. So there's 5 actions we're asking people to take. First is if they see a water leak or a running toilet, that they submit a work order and facilities can respond to it. The second, and we believe the most impactful thing they could do, other than alerting facilities about water leaks, is taking shorter showers. And we're actually asking people to take 5-minute showers during this 10-week conservation period. And then we're asking people to turn off the water when brushing teeth and shaving, and especially discouraging shaving in the shower, or reducing shaving during the shower, or turning off the overhead water when shaving. And then for those people who are washing dishes in residence halls, we're asking them to turn off the water while they're scrubbing the dishes and just turn on the water when they're rinsing. And then finally, we're encouraging people to not wash small loads of laundry, but to wash large loads of laundry all at the same time, rather than multiple smaller loads, to conserve water. And we're also encouraging students to wash their clothes on the brights, or also known as cold setting, to conserve heating energy.
Even after the reopening of the Catskill Aqueduct on December 15th, we should still all be mindful of how much water we use each day and make conscious choices to reduce our water use.